Yes, ma'am. I would like to refer all my friends to come to CMTI and take the courses of interiors and construction, as it is a good platform for learning and also for the placement. And it's a good.
Hi, Rashmitha.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good, Rashmitha. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್?
I'm from Gulbarga, ma'am. Studied civil engineering in KBN college, and I've done my master's in construction technology. And I took this CMTI course in Jayanagar, Footlock. As I was looking for a job, I got the nice opportunity, ma'am. And I completed 3 months of course, and I waited for 1 month, and I got a job in L&T, and I'm happy to share it.
Okay, fine. So ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ CMTI ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
Many are there, ma'am, in CMTI who I know. So one of my friends.
Fine. So what and all you've learned in this training?
I learned about construction and interiors, ma'am. Like advanced training on construction activities, like we'll visiting the site visits, factory visits, and interiors like mall and so on. And they taught us how to deal with how to take a job by giving the interviews and all. We got the confidence of leading the life.
So what about your site visits and all? How was that?
Yes, ma'am. It was great experience, ma'am. Like in college days, we just have a theoretical knowledge, but here we just saw it naturally, and we saw it, and we learned more about it.
So what about your trainers, Rashmitha? How was they?
Yes, ma'am. That sir is an expert, ma'am, and other trainers also. They all are from other. They're having their own specialty in the each subject. So they're experts in their own subject. So they taught us like Abhinav sir, Ishat sir. So all are well trained, ma'am, and I'm happy to train by them, ma'am. And I learned more about the interiors, cut list and all.
Fine. I think so now you're flexible in both construction as well as interiors.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination and all?
Yes, ma'am. Talking about you, yours also very good, ma'am. And other staff also very, very friendly. And I've seen like they never tortured us, and they're just friendly, and they always teach us well manners, ma'am, to behave patiently, and just trained us a lot.
So what about Ashok sir, Rashmitha? So how was his coordination and motivation throughout the training?
Yes, ma'am. Since day one, he's like a inspiration to us, ma'am. Like within, we'll be seeing in a civil engineer career, like CEO of the CMTI, and he used to say that practice makes man perfect. So we have to practice and coordinate with what all the plans we are doing. So he just supported us at every moment.
So I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Placements, yeah, ma'am. I give many interviews, and working in a L&T related companies, like it's a very good opportunity, ma'am. As a freshers, we won't get in such a company. So hope forward we'll get good opportunities and all.
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to refer all my friends to come to CMTI and take the courses of interiors and construction, as it is a good platform for learning and also for the placement, and it's a good platform for career growing.
So thank you so much, Rashmitha, for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future days, and congratulations for your placements once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
so much.
Rashmitha. Thank you so much.